The Share concept is unique, Felix, and it's unique because it's a SharePoint conference not aimed at IT professionals. It's actually exclusively aimed at business users of SharePoint and process owners.
What excites me most about SharePoint 2013 is that it's part of 365 and in the cloud. Just the power that brings me for being able to work wherever I am. Like now in South Africa, I'm actually able to work with my documents at any given time from any of my devices.
WCM has been a big story. I think it's nice to finally see SharePoint really coming to its own as a web content management platform. So very excited about some of the things Microsoft's doing in the product and then obviously in the app stores.
For me, one of the important new features in SharePoint 2013 is the concept of an app store. There are .NET developers already in organizations, and it's almost a transition into the SharePoint development world and having now the skills in-house to be able to easily deliver your own applications.
SharePoint 2013, I think it's a lot more about connecting people, sharing, making sure it's easy to share.
From an enterprise point of view, it's easy to collaborate, easy to work socially, it's easy to create web content management sites, the new cost model when it comes to the licensing, fantastic. And actually just been able to be in information work and actually use SharePoint 2013, complete paradigm change.
So I think the business value of 2013 is really going to come from some of the social features that have been built into, especially the document management side. Because really now, because the use of the ability to actually engage with their peers' documents through the social features that are built in, just creating that collaboration platform. And really I think that's going to help people work more efficiently, which hopefully will reduce costs in their organizations.
I mean, we've heard comments like it's very Facebookish, which is always a good thing coming from a small store sitting in Burgers Fort, whatever, in the Northwest. So that's the feedback that we love to hear, that people are just finding it easy to use, it's not intimidating. We've got people from rural areas interacting with the system and going, well, I can actually find policies, I can find documents, I can find how to do my job better as well. So it's been an amazing experience, and like anything, it's all about the people and just making people's lives a little bit better,
The value of SharePoint is in the business solutions and what it can do to impact business and impact the people's lives. And this conference focuses primarily on that, is how do we actually use SharePoint to change lives and to affect business.
Cloud is really changing the economy of computing. Mobile is really making computing a personal part of our lives. And social is really changing the way that we're interacting with other people and with our customers and partners.
So what scared people was they thought Facebook and they thought LinkedIn and Twitter. And what they're starting to see now, it's social activity within inside the enterprise. So I can now leverage social capabilities to actually be productive.
Enterprise social is a new way of communicating inside organizations, and it's very much based on the experience of people being socially connected in their personal lives. So the way I like to describe Yammer is really a communications platform that helps you find the people and the information you need to do your job. It just helps you find it in a much simpler, more easy way.
Having the Yammer Share network was really important in terms of connecting with the team here locally in Johannesburg. I sit in London, so the time difference and the physical separation is difficult with email. You always need to be kind of connected to a number of different people across different aspects of an event, and Yammer is a perfect forum for that.
Project 2013, it's taking everybody online. So if we're talking about project, we've moved to the online space, and basically it allows people to work from different devices, from mobile devices, from tablets, and it allows them to integrate into a lot more than just sitting around the office trying to manage a project. One of the things that we're driving is to have a lot more apps in the project management space. So take, for example, time management from your phone. Run a little app that manages your time and then provides reporting back up the line.
The biggest benefits for going online obviously are cost savings, being able to get your IT department to focus on innovation versus to having to keep servers alive. We have strong integration with on-prem, with line of business applications, and being able to get that data to actually surface through an online environment so that users can work from home anytime. The benefit of bring your own device, things like that, mobile integration.
It has to be mobile. I mean, people are on the move all the time, work from home, mobile devices. It has to be mobile. Everything has to be mobile. So I think we're going to see a lot of changes happening in the platform going forward to make it sure that we've got multiple options for guys to be mobile. And I think it's exciting. I think it's going to just make it a lot more easier for people to use the right information, get access to the right information. And I think it's going to take SharePoint to the next level as well.